Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the LXQT desktop of Artix Linux. So let us start. I have already created a virtual machine for the LXQT desktop of Artix Linux. I use the options GPT, that is the GPT style partitioning, along with swap, and F2FS as a file system with OpenRC as the init system. So let us boot into the desktop. So you get the standard fallback kernel and the main kernel options in the grub menu. The OpenRC Init System is quickly booting up our LXQT desktop. So we are greeted with the LXQT greeter. You have to input your name and the password. And below you have got session chooser. So the LXQT desktop here is coming with the open box window manager, I think. That's why you can see two sessions, that is the LXQT desktop session and the open box session. So most probably LXQT will be using the open box as a window manager here in the LXQT desktop itself. So now let us log in into the desktop. Okay, so now we are booted into the LXQT desktop. First thing, of course, what we will do is we will go to the this desktop, yes, monitor settings, and then we will increase the resolution. Yes, so now we are into perfect resolution. So the LXQT desktop as usual contains the panel at the bottom. There are three icons: computer, SAM, and trash. And what is this? This is the removable drive manager. You got a volume control, and then this is the calendar, and you have got the language selector. If you have got multiple languages installed, you can select between the languages. And on the left side you have got this is the application menu. This is the minimize all windows button. The PCman FM Qt file manager is there. You get the Falcon web browser and the Qt terminal is there. Now quickly let us go through the software applications that are available. In accessories section you got kwrite, Kate is there, LXQT file archiver is there, and the PCman file FM Qt is there. So it is the file manager. So here you can see some of the KD applications are there, because KD is also using the Qt technologies. So the KD applications will connect well here. They will be comfortable in the LXQT desktop environment. So they are using this KD applications here. Now let us check out the versions. So it is 0.7 version LXQT. And what about the PC file manager? So it is quite latest version. Now let us go over to the graphics. In the graphics you have got the LX image and the screen grabber. In internet section you have got the Avahi server browser, VNC server browser, and the Falcon web browser. In Office only the XPDF is there, no Office suite is provided. So if you remember, in all the Artix Linux desktops, the Office suite is not there. You have to install the Office suite by yourself of your choice. In programming you got Kate and the user feedback console. In sound and video you got the pulse audio volume control, the video test utility, video capture utility, and the MPV media player. System tools, Hawaii zero configuration browser, hardware locality, IS topo, Q terminal, and the Q terminal drop down. So this is a drop down terminal. What will happen is if you click on it, it will drop down from the top end of the screen. So this is how it works. It is very you can say comfortable for your eyes, because it just opens up in the line, straight line from your eyes. So it is opens up at the top end of your screen. So it is very comfortable to view the terminal at the top end of your screen. In preferences, you got the LXQT settings, advanced network configuration, and the open box settings. So I was telling you that the open box will be used by LXQT for the window management purposes. So now we will go over to the LXQT configuration center. So this LXQT configuration center looks something like XFC control center. You can see it here, or the settings, XFC settings. So you got appearances, brightness, daytime function, the desktop is there, desktop notifications, file associations, and all those standard things that are available in the LXQT. So you can manage your LXQT desktop from here. Now let us try out the appearance section, what they have got in store for us. So the different Qt styles as usual are there. The BB10 dark, BB10 bright is there. So the default Qt style is GTK2. Let us go over to the BB10 dark. Let us see what happens. Okay, so you can see we have overwritten the configuration files, and the whole configuration is available as a backup. Okay. So now we have changed the Qt style to BB10 dark. Icon theme is breeze dark. We can go with any, let us go with the Mate Fenza dark. Let us see what happens. So the icons should change. Not many applications are there in the application menu. Very light LXQT desktop. That's why you can see it is get a little hard to check the changes in the icon themes. So we have changed the icon themes, but it is not getting applied. I can see mostly the KDE desktop icons are there. You can see most of them icons are KDE desktop icons. So the change is not getting applied. Maybe we will require a restart. Now let us, what we will do is we will roll back the widget styles to the default ones, apply it. Maybe changing the LXQT themes will be better. So it will change the icons as well as the widget style. So let us go with the ambience theme. Let us see if the ambient themes get applied properly. You can see it here and also use the wallpaper provided by the theme. So let us see what happens. Okay. So you can see icon theme is not getting applied. So I think restart will be required. Anyway, now let us go over to the arch colors. Let us try to apply the arch color. Yes, so the wallpaper is changing, but the icons, they take a lot of time. Let us see. Yes, the icons are not changing. Still the KDE desktop icons are there. Now let us go over to the clear looks. Yes, this wallpaper is getting perfectly applied. Okay, let us go over to the dark theme. Okay, so it is just changing the wallpaper. A restart will do, not an issue. Let us apply the frost theme. So this looks very nice. And the KDE plasma theme. So this is the KDE plasma theme. Quantum theme is there. Let us see. All are looking very nice. Leech theme is there. This is also very nice looking wallpaper. Excellent. Excellent. This is also nice. System, this is the system theme. Then Valenda's theme is there. Let us see. Okay, this is also nice looking theme. So this is it. This is Arch Linux theme. Let's go with the KDE theme. Okay. I'm just checking which theme looks better, so we can keep it as a screenshot for the your this YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Yes, this quantum thing also looks very nice. LXQT. And Frost thing, let us try once. Frost is also very nice looking. Maybe we will keep this as the thumbnail in YouTube. Okay, now another, let us now close this. We have got enough of the things. Rest of the things I am not going to check because you see it is all common. The LXQT version is I think also the latest 1.2. Okay, so now I will close this. Now one thing that you have noticed is here also there is no graphical software manager. Only you get the Pacman. Pacman you have to use from terminal. So what you will do if you want to install a graphical software center or a software manager. So since this is Qt, I think the Discover software store will work very fine. So what you have to do is you have to open your terminal. Yes, now it is synchronizing the packages because we are searching for the first time. You see there are some updates also available. So best is first to install the updates. Okay, so Discover has been found. Okay, so using this command sudo pacman dash capital SY discover, it has synchronized the databases also, repos or databases, and then it is now installing the Discover software store. So this is great. And it has also installed the Flatpak support. It has also installed the Flatpak support along with the firmware update support also. So the Discover software store is installed. Now let us try to find the Discover here. Yes, so Discover is there. Let us open the Discover software store. It will take some time. Or I close this. Yes, Discover should open up, or we can take a restart. Let us do a restart of the system. Let us restart the system. That will help us. Okay, so now what we will do is again we will have to go to the preferences, monitor settings, then apply. Yes. Now the Discover software center is there. No, it is not here, but I have just saw it somewhere here. Yes, the Discover is there. The Discover should open up. Let us see. Or the only other option is to use the Pacman from the terminal. I don't know why this Discover is not working. So I think there is some issue with the system path. That's why this Discover is not working. Okay, so with this I will stop the video here. See you in the next video where we will check out the LXQT desktop. Bye bye.